Hello and welcome to Glitter Shine Nails. I've wanted to try clear jelly stamp art for a long time, and I found that Nail.supplies is the UK stockists. So I've recently made 2 purchases. Now I do want to send a massive thank you to Debbie from Clear Jelly Stamper and Chrissy from Nail.supplies. I have been blown away with the generosity from both of you. Quite a few of these products were very kindly sent to me inside my latest parcel, so a massive thank you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this down into lots of videos, 10 in total. And to start with, I'm going to be swatching and reviewing the stamping polishes, as I have used these for the stamping plates, and there is 7 stamping polishes in total. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These really help out my channel, thank you. So the 7 polishes that I have are, as you can see, are the black, white, gold, silver, red and the 2 greens. Now the ones on the bottom row are the 5mm and the 2 on the top row are the 10mm. There are also 5 free stamping polishes as well. So each polish has a number on the top, like the black has 001, the white has 002, and I have to say I really do like this. So I've got 7 pop sticks, and this is what I'm going to be applying the colours to. This is just so you can really see the colour itself. And I'll start with the black 001. Now I really like that the writing is in white. I first brought the 5mm, but when I made my second order, I got the 10. I also did this with the white as well. Now these stamping polishes are really pigmented. So here you can see the 5mm against the 10mm, and they are a really nice consistency. Now I've not used the 10mm yet, but I have used the smaller one, which is why the 10mm black needs a little bit of a mix. But it's a super black. So I'll be applying a layer of the polish to the pop stick. Now I've also stamped the black over some different coloured pop sticks, and for the black they are white, silver, gold, blue, pink and green. This really shows just how well this stamping polish works. It's super bold and it stamps amazingly. Because Clear Jelly Stamper are a new brand to me, I'm having to get a feel for how they work. As you can see, this black is just fantastic coverage. These polishes are also slower drying as well, which I have to say is something that I'm having to remember. Onto the white 002, which I also have in the 10ml bottle. I recently saw Sarah's Nail Secrets here on YouTube do a video using this polish, and I was absolutely stunned by the whiteness of this polish. I think it's the whitest stamping polish I now own. I quite often have problems with white not stamping clearly. I don't know why this happens. Now I'm also wearing this one in one of the manis in the video. But I was really surprised when I didn't get the problem with the Clear Jelly Stamper white. So I've swatched this one over black, blue, green, red, purple and pink. And I love that it has stayed white over the top of all the dark colours. It's not changed at all. The white is the reason for my second order. I wanted the bigger bottle. This is now going to probably be my go-to white stamping polish, probably along with the black, to be fair, because I really do like both of them, really. Onto the gold 003, and this one is called All That Glitters. And this is a bright gold, which I'm personally not a fan of. I prefer the lighter shades of gold. But I have to say, again, it is a stunning colour and consistency. Most of the colours have names except the black and the white, and I have to say I really do like that, and some of the names are quite cool. Now I've put this gold over white, black, red, it was supposed to be a brown, but it's a beigey brown, green and purple. Now I have to say that this gold looks absolutely beautiful over all of the different colours. It really is so pretty, and I think my favourite has to be over the white. Now I've left in the description box all the details about the 5 free polishes. Now I'm a huge fan of 5 free polishes. Onto the silver 004 Steal the Show. This stamping polish is definitely a showstopper. Now I will say that its consistency is quite thick, but then I've got a few silvers from other brands and they are the same as well, so I think it's just silvers in general. But this is such a gorgeous bright silver, and I have to say again, one of my favourites. Now I've swatched this over white, black, blue, purple, green and red, and I have to say I think they look stunning, really pretty. Now these 5ml bottles, I do seem to have an issue with that I keep knocking them over because they're so small. But I am definitely going back very soon to purchase some more colours. This silver I'll definitely be purchasing in a larger bottle. Onto the red 009 called Ready for Anything. And this again is a bright red. Now I know that this isn't going to stamp over black, but I do like to show this anyway, along with putting it over white, gold, coral, pink and silver. Now because these polishes are so pigmented, my scraper now has a nice red stain on it. Now this doesn't bother me, and they do clean up from the skin very well, so I'm not worried about that. Now I am going to be bringing all of the stamping plates to my YouTube channel, so make sure that you're subscribed and that you have the bell notification on, so as I can honestly say that you don't want to miss any of these. And I'll be bringing the first stamping plate probably next week. They are taking me just a little bit longer because I like to do full swatches. They are taking me longer to get through, so but they are coming. Onto the green 038 called Mystic Moss, and it's a beautiful dark green. I almost want to say this is like a khaki green. Now I've struggled over my stamping time to find a dark green that I like, and for me this one is pretty good for me. And I've stamped it over white, black, silver, yellow and light and dark green. Now it didn't come out amazingly over black, but it's okay though. This could be another one that I need in a larger bottle as well. Now these polishes don't have any nasty smells either. They smell to me just like normal polishes, and I've had a few that I've already used on myself and they have removed from my skin really well. Onto the glittery green 061 called Glitzy Evergreen, and it's an absolutely amazing glittery green. Now I've stamped this over the same as the last green, so white, black, silver, yellow and light and dark green. Now I have to be fair, I'm blown away with these stamping polishes. They have been so nice to work with, and I have to say I've really liked that they're slower drying. Gives me just that little bit longer to sort of get it all lined up and all that. Now the stamping image I've used the same throughout for all the swatches, and it's actually from a clear jelly stamper plate, and it's called Diamonds in Ice. Now I first fell in love with this plate from watching Talia's nail tales here on YouTube. Now I have to say that both Sarah's and Talia's channels here on YouTube are definitely worth a check out. They are some amazing nail techs. I will leave all the information on all of these products as well as everything else in the description box. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these clear jelly stamping polishes. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you did, then I would love it if you could give me a thumbs up, comment below, hit that subscribe button and share. And also don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at Glittershy Nails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye!